Have you ever walked into a shopping mall and suddenly felt small? You see people talking confidently, you hear English everywhere, and you think, I know English, but why can't I speak? Your hands feel cold, your throat feels dry, and you choose silence. But what if today is different? What if today you finally speak?
Welcome to English Booster, the English word, real-life English. This channel is not about perfect grammar. It is about real courage. Here, we speak slowly. We learn naturally. We grow together. If you are afraid of English, you are in the right place. Take a deep breath. Let's begin.
The mall stands tall and bright. People walk in with confidence. Alex stops near the entrance.
This place feels big.
It is big, but your fear is bigger right now.
Maybe yes.
What are you thinking?
I want to speak English inside, but I am scared I will forget words.
Forgetting words is normal.
It feels embarrassing.
Embarrassment lasts a few seconds. Regret lasts much longer. Which one do you choose?
I don't want regret.
Then today you will speak. They enter a clothing shop. Soft music plays. Sales staff smile politely. Alex looks around quietly. Imagine I am not here. What will you say first?
Maybe, excuse me?
Good start. Then what?
Where are the t-shirts?
That sounds clear. What if I want to check the size?
You can say, do you have this in large?
That sounds simple.
Simple works.
Alex touches a jacket.
Can I try this?
Yes, that is perfect. Why does it feel easier now?
Because you are practicing before the real moment.
So preparation reduces fear?
Exactly.
Alex comes out wearing a shirt.
Can I have this in large?
It fits you well.
I still feel unsure.
Confidence grows slowly. It does not appear suddenly.
So I must give it time?
Yes, and patience. Tell me honestly, why do you want to speak English?
I want better opportunities, and I want to feel equal.
You already are equal. Alex looks at her silently. Language does not decide your worth. Rows of shoes shine under bright lights.
These shoes look expensive.
Even expensive shoes need simple English. Alex smiles. Alex walks to the counter.
Excuse me, I'm looking for running shoes.
Nodded proudly.
Do you have size 8?
Very clear.
How much do they cost?
Nice question.
Is there any discount today?
That shows confidence. Pause.
My heart still beats fast.
That means you care.
Does fear ever disappear?
It becomes smaller when you face it. The smell of food fills the air.
I feel hungry now.
Good. Hunger gives energy. They stand near a food counter.
I would like 1 burger.
Good tone.
And 1 lemonade, please.
Polite and simple.
Can I have extra sauce?
Very natural. Pause.
I notice something.
What?
When I focus on the sentence, I forget fear.
Because your mind stays present. Alex sits quietly with his food.
When I was younger, I avoided speaking in class.
Emily listens carefully.
Students laughed at my pronunciation.
That must hurt.
Yes, I decided to stay silent after that.
Pause. Silence protects you, but it also limits you. Alex looks down. You are not that child anymore.
Sometimes I still feel like that child.
Then today you heal that child. Let me share something useful. When you speak in public, keep sentences short, speak clearly, pause if needed, maintain eye contact, smile gently.
What if someone corrects me?
Say, thank you. Learning never insults you.
That feels strong.
It is strength. Alex picks up a phone case.
Excuse me, is this for iPhone 13?
Very specific. Good.
Can I see another color?
Excellent.
Does it come with warranty?
Smart question.
Can I pay using UPI?
Perfectly said. Pause. How do you feel compared to the entrance?
Alex thinks. Less afraid.
That's progress. They walk toward the exit. Life is like this mall. Many doors, many options, many chances. But if you stay at the entrance, you miss everything. Pause. English is not the goal. Confidence is.
So English is just a tool?
Yes, a powerful one. Let me ask you something. Where do you feel nervous? At work? In interviews? In front of friends? Close your eyes for a second. Imagine yourself speaking clearly. How does that feel? Hold that feeling. That's your future.
Today feels important
Why?
because I did not run away,
Imli smiles softly. You faced yourself.
and it was not as scary as I thought it was.
Most fears are louder in our mind than in reality.
I want to continue practicing.
And you will. Remember this carefully. Your accent does not define you. Your mistakes do not define you. Your past does not define you. Your action defines you. If you speak today, you become stronger tomorrow. Do not wait for perfect timing. There is no perfect moment. The moment becomes perfect when you act. Thank you for spending this time with English Booster, the English word Real Life English. If this conversation touches your heart, press like. If you want more real-life English practice, subscribe now. Write in the comments, I choose courage. And always remember, don't blame grammar, speak with confidence.